What's up, YouTube? Got my new Eastern 2011 traildigger. Matter red. Really good bike. On sale for $300 off on Dance Comp. Let's start off the front of the bike. So you can see I got ODI long neck grips. No flanges. Cut them off. Stock Eastern stem. Stock Eastern bars. I really like these bars because they're really wide. They come wide and with a pretty high rise. Also, I got integrated King Creek headset. Came with the bike with stock Eastern forks with a Sunrunner light rim with curb monkey tires laced up to a crotch-rail front hub. Moving to the middle of the bike, I got an Animal pivotal seat and a Black Ops pivotal seat post. Eastern Crown PC pedals are really good. I got stock Eastern cranks. Stock Eastern sprocket with a KMC chain. Moving to the back of the bike, I got DM30 rim with a stock hub and a Canada tread in the back, dirt tread. It's pretty good, it's not that good for street because like it's a lot of vibrating right here in the back, but yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a really good bike. Recommend getting it. And I'm going to have another bike check up pretty soon. Thanks for watching.